Come test drive the 2009 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, quad seating, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.